Hello! Welcome to your first meditation practice. You can practice this meditation any time of the day. Just don't listen to it while you're driving. Find a comfortable sitting or lying position. To begin, do not worry about the ideal posture or place to meditate. Simply decide that you are ready to spend a few minutes with yourself. The act of setting that intention will make all the difference. Close your eyes or keep them open. Decide what feels more comfortable for you at the moment. Relax your body the best you can, releasing all the tension. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose and simply observe what happens in your body when you breathe. Keep breathing and observing. Notice the sensations that the breath provokes in you. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice what happens in the in-breath. Notice what happens in the out-breath. Do not rush the rhythm of your breath. Try to let it flow naturally. Your mission is to observe with all your senses. This brings you to the present moment. Your mind focuses on one thing only, and your whole body starts relaxing. Start becoming aware of the sounds around you, the texture of the surface where you're sitting or lying on. Wiggle your toes and fingers. And if your eyes were closed during the meditation, gently open them. That was your first meditation. Congratulations!